Welcome to our guide on scoring free upgrades for flights and hotels. Whether you're a frequent traveler or planning your next big trip, getting a complimentary upgrade can make your journey much more enjoyable. Today we'll walk you through proven strategies, insider tips, and practical steps to boost your chances of moving up to first class or snagging a suite at your favorite hotel. Let's start by understanding why upgrades happen and how you can position yourself to benefit. Ready to elevate your travel experience? Let's dive in. Airlines and hotels often have empty seats or rooms due to cancellations or overbooking. To maximize guest satisfaction and fill those spots, they sometimes offer upgrades. Understanding this process is key. Upgrades are not just random acts of kindness, they're strategic moves to reward loyal customers, resolve operational issues, or simply fill vacancies. Knowing when and why upgrades are offered helps you time your requests and increases your chances of success. Let's explore how loyalty plays a role in this equation. Owning loyalty programs is one of the most effective ways to get free upgrades. Airlines and hotels reward their frequent guests with perks, including complimentary upgrades. Signing up is usually free and takes just a few minutes. The more you travel or stay, the higher your status becomes, unlocking even more benefits. Don't forget to link your loyalty number when booking. If you're already a member, check for special promotions or bonus point offers. Next, let's talk about timing your travel for maximum upgrade potential. Traveling during off-peak times increases your chances of scoring upgrades. Flights and hotels are less crowded, making it easier for staff to accommodate upgrade requests. Consider flying midweek or booking hotels outside major holidays and events. Not only will you enjoy a quieter experience, but you'll also be more likely to get bumped up to a better seat or room. Let's move on to how your attitude and appearance can influence upgrade decision. Believe it or not, how you present yourself can impact your chances of receiving an upgrade. Staff often look for guests who appear professional and respectful. Dressing smartly, being polite, and showing gratitude can make you stand out. While there's no need for a suit and tie, avoid overly casual attire. A friendly attitude goes a long way too. Next, we'll discuss the importance of asking for upgrades directly. Sometimes the simplest way to get an upgrade is to ask. Whether you're at the check-in desk or boarding your flight, politely inquire about available upgrades. Staff can often accommodate requests if there's availability. Be specific, mention special occasions like birthdays or anniversaries, which may increase your chances. Remember, a positive attitude and respectful approach are key. Let's look at how booking directly can help. Booking directly with airlines or hotels often gives you priority for upgrades. Third-party sites may not offer the same perks, and your loyalty status might not be recognized. When you book direct, you can also communicate special requests and preferences more easily. Plus, you're more likely to receive personalized service. Next, let's explore how using credit cards can unlock upgrade opportunities. Many travel credit cards offer complimentary upgrades as part of their benefits. Cards affiliated with airlines or hotel chains often provide access to exclusive lounges, priority boarding, and room upgrades. Check your card's perks and use them when booking. Sometimes, simply paying with the right card can trigger an upgrade. Let's move on to how timing your check-in can make a difference. Arriving early or late can sometimes increase your chances of an upgrade. Early check-in allows staff to assign available rooms or seats before others arrive. Alternatively, checking in later may mean staff need to fill remaining premium spots. Experiment with timing and see what works best for you. Next, we'll discuss how being flexible with your plans can pay off. Being flexible with your travel dates, times, or room preferences can help you land an upgrade. If you're open to switching flights or accepting a different room type, staff may reward you with a better option. Flexibility shows you're easy to work with, which can make staff more willing to accommodate your requests. Let's look at how special occasions can work in your favor. If you're traveling for a birthday, anniversary, or honeymoon, let staff know. Hotels and airlines often go the extra mile for guests celebrating special occasions. Mentioning your event at check-in or booking can increase your chances of receiving a complimentary upgrade. Next, we'll discuss how building relationships with staff can help. Regularly staying at the same hotel or flying with the same airline helps you build relationships with staff. Familiar faces are more likely to receive perks and upgrades. Greet staff by name, show appreciation, and be courteous. Over time, you'll become a valued guest, and staff may go out of their way to enhance your experience. Let's move on to how social media can play a role. Engaging with airlines and hotels on social media can sometimes lead to upgrades. Tagging brands, sharing positive experiences, or participating in online promotions may catch their attention. Some companies reward loyal followers with perks. Make sure your posts are genuine and positive. Next, let's discuss how using points can unlock upgrades. Accumulated loyalty points can be used for upgrades. Airlines and hotels often allow you to redeem points for better seats or rooms. Check your account regularly and look for upgrade offers. Sometimes, using points strategically can get you a premium experience for less. Let's explore how being a frequent traveler helps. Traveling often puts you on the radar for upgrades. Airlines and hotels track frequent guests and reward them with perks. If you travel regularly, make sure your loyalty accounts are up to date and linked to your bookings. Frequent travelers are often prioritized for complimentary upgrades, especially during less busy times. Next, let's look at how to handle overbooked situations. When flights or hotels are overbooked, staff may need to reassign guests. If you volunteer to switch flights or accept a different room, you might be rewarded with an upgrade. Being flexible and helpful in these situations can pay off. Let's move on to how elite status can make a difference. Achieving elite status in loyalty programs unlocks exclusive upgrade opportunities. Elite members are often first in line for complimentary upgrades and special perks. Check your program's requirements and aim for higher tiers. Elite status also comes with priority check-in, lounge access, and more. Next, let's discuss how to use upgrade certificates. Some loyalty programs offer upgrade certificates as rewards. These certificates can be used to secure a better seat or room. Make sure to check your account for available certificates and use them before they expire. Certificates are often given for reaching certain milestones or during promotions. Let's look at how to maximize your chances with special requests. When booking, add special requests like a high floor, corner room, or extra amenities. Staff may upgrade you to fulfill your preferences, especially if availability allows. Being specific and polite increases your chances. Next, we'll discuss how to avoid common mistakes. Don't demand upgrades or act entitled. Staff appreciate guests who are courteous and understanding. Avoid booking through third-party sites if you want to maximize your chances. Also, don't forget to check for available upgrades before arrival. Let's move on to how to use travel agents. Travel agents often have access to exclusive deals and upgrade options. They can advocate for you and negotiate perks with airlines and hotels. If you're planning a special trip, consider using a travel agent to boost your chances of getting upgraded. Next, let's discuss how to use mobile apps. Many airlines and hotels offer mobile apps with upgrade notifications and special offers. Download the app and enable alerts to stay informed about available upgrades. Apps also make it easier to manage bookings and communicate preferences. Next, let's look at how to use reviews to your advantage. Leaving positive reviews for hotels and airlines can sometimes lead to perks. Staff appreciate guests who share good feedback and may reward you with upgrades during future visits. Make sure your reviews are genuine and highlight your positive experiences. Next, let's discuss how to use email communication. Sending a polite email to the hotel or airline before your trip can make a difference. Introduce yourself, mention any special occasions, and express your preferences. Staff may note your request and offer an upgrade if available. Let's move on to how to use feedback surveys. Participating in feedback surveys after your stay or flight can help you stand out. Companies value guests who provide constructive feedback and may reward you with upgrades in the future. Next, let's discuss how to use referral programs. Some hotels and airlines offer referral programs that reward you with points or perks for bringing in new customers. These points can sometimes be used for upgrades. Check your loyalty program for referral options and share with friends. Next, let's look at how to use package deals. Booking package deals that include flights and hotels can sometimes unlock upgrade opportunities. Companies may offer special perks to guests who book bundled services. Always check the fine print and ask about available upgrades. Next, let's discuss how to use last-minute deals. Sometimes, booking last minute can lead to upgrades. Airlines and hotels may have unsold premium seats or rooms and offer them at a discount or as a complimentary upgrade. Keep an eye on last-minute offers and be ready to act quickly. Next, let's discuss how to use travel forums. Participating in travel forums and communities can help you learn about upgrade opportunities. Members often share tips, deals, and experiences. You might discover special promotions or insider tricks. Stay active and contribute to the community. Next, let's summarize the key points. Scoring free upgrades on flights and hotels is all about strategy, timing, and building relationships. Join loyalty programs, travel off-peak, dress well, and ask politely. Use credit card perks, mobile apps, and positive reviews to boost your chances. Be flexible, celebrate special occasions, and stay active in travel communities. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to enjoying premium travel experiences without paying extra. Safe travels and happy upgrade.